SOs are hands-on people on the ground, station sergeants. You are the guys that dictate the tempo. All of us seated here, including me, we are only here to support you. To support you administratively, to support you logistically, to support you with clear-cut policies and directives. Otherwise, the people will get their hands dirty on the ground. Station officers, station sergeants, corporals. So our job